Tomorrow he comes for me.
I'm gonna let Apple have all the cards.
Okay. Comes. Tomorrow he comes for me. He comes. Tomorrow he comes for me. Comes for me. This is history. And do you know him? Know him? Know him? Oh friend, do you know him? Know him? Oh friend, do you know him? You know him? Jesus Christ the Lord. Jesus Christ the